Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with the Urban Decay Wild Greens palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so let's jump in. Today I'm going to be playing with the Urban Decay Wild Greens palette, which this is the outer packaging. It's a vegan formula with a hit of avocado oil. And this is the palette right here. So let's see if I can open it. Okay, I can. And this is how you open it right here. Very different from what Urban Decay has done in the past. But yeah, so this is what we're gonna be playing with, and then at the end we'll chat about it. So I'm gonna open this up, and I kind of want to play with the greens. Alrighty, so I have my eyebrows done and my eyelid is primed with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I lightly set it with my translucent powder. So now I'm going to go in with the powder. I'm going to start off by going in with Earthside right here with a fluffy brush. This is a Sedona lace. I'm not sure what the name of the brush is because it's rubbed off. That's how long I've had it, and it's just a fluffy brush. You can see just a fluffy brush. And let me get my mirror out. Alrighty, so I'm going to go in with that color Earthside, and I'm going to apply that color to the crease, and I'm only going to go halfway in because I want to use the green color as well. Okay, now I'm going to go in with another blending brush. I'm going to go in with the color Super Greens, which Super Greens right here, and I'm going to use this color or apply this color in this inner part right here. Ooh, very powdery. Wow, that's pigmented. But I'm going to keep this in this inner corner right here. I'm going to go in, I'm sorry, and the brush I used for that is the Sedona Lace EB15. So it's a more, I guess, targeted blending brush. So it's more smaller than the other one, as you can see. The top one is fluffy, and that's the one we used the brown with in the outer part of the crease, and the bottom one is the one we used the green in the inner part of the crease because it's more tiny. It fits in here in the eye socket. So I'm going to grab the other fluffy brush and grab that Earthside color, which is the brown, and just go over this at the top just to blend the lime green with that brown. It has a lot of kickback and powder. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but it does have a little bit of powder, as you can see. Alrighty, but next I'm going to go in with a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Kickback, which is this darker brown over here. And I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna apply that color to the outer part of the eyelid. So these are really softly pressed because there's so much kickback. It's really pretty. Now with the fluffy brush, we used the color Earth Side. I'm just gonna go over this part right here because we don't want no harsh lines. Alrighty, this is what we have going on so far. Now I'm going to grab my shadow stick and my glitter glue, and I'm going to go in with one of the shimmers. So for the eye glue, I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath Labs Intensify Artistry wand, and I'm gonna use that and apply this to the. I always try and twist it up, but I forget it's a little, has a little clicky thing at the top so I could bring the product up. I always forget. But anyways, I'm gonna apply this product to this lid part right here, and then I'm gonna go in with one of the shimmers. Not sure which one I'm gonna use just yet, but let's apply this. All right, prickly is such a pretty color, and then twist is like it has hints of gold. These are the swatches right here. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but I think I'm gonna go in with, let's go in with twists, and I'm just gonna use my finger. All right. Alright, I'm gonna grab a Sedona Lace 305 brush, which is just a shader brush, as you can see, and I'm just gonna grab the color Twist. I'm not sure if I showed you, but this is Twist right here, and this is the color I'm gonna use on this lid part right here. And I'm even going to bring it into that green we have in the crease to intensify it a little bit more. That's such a pretty color. Alright, so this is what I have on the eyes, and I like it. I like that pop of lime green. It's like really bright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish my complexion, obviously add liner and lashes to the eyes, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and then we can talk, well, I can talk about the palette. So I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really like how it turned out. It looks really nice. I love this pop of green that I have going on in this inner part of the crease. I really like it a lot. It's gonna be fun for spring. I'm so excited for spring. But yeah, I really like this palette. Let's see. So packaging wise, I get that Urban Decay wanted to do something different, but I really don't like this packaging. You are able to fold this back if you need to, but I'm not going to do that because then it's going to be hard for this to close. But I like that it's really thin, as you can see, so it might be travel friendly. I'm not sure because of this like opening. But I like the colors. They're so earthy. It's very wearable. So yeah, I really like it. And in case I didn't mention this in the beginning of the video, but this is a vegan formula. So I know they're past their Wild West, and I think the Cyber Palette are both vegan formula. Not quite sure, but I think they are. But so is this one. So yeah, I really like the colors, and it does have a lot of kickback. So when you dip your brush, it has a lot of powder. But that's not a problem to me because I do my eyeshadow and my eyeshadow first before my complexion. So that's not a deal breaker for me. The palette was $44. I got mine from Ulta. I think that's the only place you can get it besides the Urban Decay website. Sephora is going to carry it, but more towards, I think, the end of February. Yeah. So yeah, the verdict is I really like it. It's gonna be a really nice earthy palette to play with in the springtime with the pops of green. So if you like green, and you like something wearable, I think this would be a good palette. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's look, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.